country that they only know, just like the lying on the shady grass, afternoon, there's always something happening. Friends are floating gently by.
The ocean smells beautiful. I could like taste it almost. Wow. If I lived at the beach, oh man, I would never be in my house. Well, almost. Is my back red?
Can you hear it?
Myself.
Just came down here for the
Yeah, just for the heck of it.
That's awesome.
Say hi. I'm making a video for YouTube. I spy a curly seashell. Too close. And that's my pile I made. That one's gonna make it into my collection. Whoa, where'd that one come from? Water. Look at that. No way. Now if I can stop shaking my arm. Oh. The wind's blowing the camera, not me. And if I fell in the water from the rocks, no one would save me. They would just stare. That one's for you, Blue. monster. Oh my god. What the creek is that? Ew, there's like a thing on the seaweed. I didn't know there was bugs out here that like to be out in the ocean. That is weird. Well, let's hear it. Your favorite. What you like to sing the most?
Yeah, I have to look
Never lived. Okay. Like Peter Pan?
like Peter Pan, exactly. It's one of them.
They don't want to grow up.
They don't want to grow up, exactly.
Okay, let's hear it.
And I feel like something's moving inside of me. My heart is doing backflips in spite of me.
I like it! I mean, good job! Wow. You made that up?
No. What happened? I had my read and everything out. This was before I even had my card.
Oh no, so what happened to you?
They didn't do anything.
What? Really? I guess because it's so commonplace now. This sucks. My battery's gonna die now, and I wanted to record so much more. Like the pier and stuff. I got really red. Look. Woohoo! Rock lobster. Gosh, I really do get red. That's what happens. When I get red, I get brown afterwards. It's cool. It's my nail. Hey, it's the same size as my nail. Haha. Hey, what's up you guys? Okay, yesterday I had an so relaxing day at the beach, and now I'm so not relaxing. Look at my face. Can you see it? It's so red. Well, shiny. Well, it has color, and I don't wear face makeup, so a little color now and then. It's okay. But look. Owie. Can you see white and then red? And then my legs got burnt. And look, I want you to see something on my back. I had my top tied in the back, and so there was like these little dangly ribbons hanging down, and that's where the sun tanned me around, and it looks really funny. And look. Owie. That hurts so bad. I was like walking like that all night last night. That's all. I am now a rock lobster.